Today, I'll walk you through how to know who screenshot your Snapchat story, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to check who viewed and captured your story so you can stay informed about your audience. Let's dive right in. First, open your Snapchat app. This is where all the magic happens, so go ahead and tap on the app icon on your device. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Next, click on your profile icon. This is usually located in the top left corner of your screen. Think of this as opening the door to your personal space within Snapchat. It's where you can manage all your stories and settings. Now, under the My Story section, tap on the story icon right beside My Story. This will allow you to access the details of your story. You may need to swipe up to expand the details, just like pulling up a curtain to reveal what's behind it. Once you've done that, you will see who viewed and screenshotted your story. This is the moment you've been waiting for here. You can see exactly who has interacted with your content. It's a great way to understand your audience better. And there you have it. You now know how to check who screenshot your Snapchat story. Remember, this feature helps you stay connected with your viewers and gives you insight into who is engaging with your content. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.